Hello and welcome to Everything RV by Pat. I'm Pat. Thanks for watching today. Today we have something a little bit different than what I've done before. Behind me you see my two RVs, but also behind me you might see my wife's new e-bike. This is her Mother's Day present. Now I bought this. I want to make it clear that this is not a sponsored video. This is a Heybike Cidyscape. I have not opened it yet. It's all in the package. So we're going to take a look at it. I'm going to open it and check it out. Stick around. And let me know what you think. Okay, so I'm just gonna film and we're all gonna look at it at the same time. I'm cutting the straps. It looks like, based on these and the strapping, that it may have been sent back to Amazon. I did get it on Amazon. I do have it from Amazon. So we're going to just cut the box open and find out what's in it. First of all, this appears to be the directions in the power box. We'll set that there. I'm going to cut this box down. When cutting these boxes open, you want to be clear that you're not cutting into anything important. But there we go. That reveals the bike. It seems to be very well padded. Like I said, the top was not. Has these little hard plastic box inserts that kept it from poking a hole through the bike or through the box. It kept the bike from poking a hole. She got a light blue one. See, here's the battery. There's stuff to put in the trash can. Looks like this is the seat post and the front tire. The kickstand is already installed on it. That's good. Rear tire has air in it. Handlebars, light, seat post. We'll set that back here. Looks like it's a nice padded seat. There is the, I presume, the front fender. Rear fender is already on. Get the knife back out. Oh! And we don't want to cut the tire. Front tire has some nice end protective plastic to keep it from poking through the box. Okay, I'll get back with you in just a minute as I get this all cleaned up. All right, so now on the steps of the RV, we have the box of stuff that comes with it. Be very careful only to cut with the tip of the knife. Seems I shouldn't be doing this one-handed. All right, well, so in the box of instructions, you get a, I'm presuming that's the charger. We'll look at it. 2.5 amp output. Oh, 2 amp output to recharge the battery. It's got the Heybike logo on it. That's all the electrical components there. I'm going to just leave that back in the box. In here we have the pedals. A little bit of extra hardware. I'm assuming this is the front axle. And some tools. All right. I'm not going to show you exactly how it goes together because that'll be too difficult to film with one hand. But I'll bring you back in after I get it all, or a lot of it, put together. I got it pretty much set up except for the box that I didn't know we had. Now I know we have it, and Mother's Day girl, Mom, brought it out to me and said, oh, I think this goes with that. Yes, it does. So I will put that on next. But right now, taking a look at it, it looks pretty cool. I really like how the light blue works with the brown of the seat and the handles. Now, of course, I've got to adjust it for the lovely Miss Tina, but it looks like it is pretty set up. I will put the basket on in a minute, and when we go camping, we're going to put it on that fold down rack and stand it up and strap it in and go down the road. So hopefully this will be a good investment for her. I'll be right back with you in just a snap.
How do I get it to go again?
Just start pedaling and it'll start taking off. What do you think?
It's gonna take me some practice.
Yeah, I figured it would. That's why we got to get out and practice. Do you like it though?
Yeah, it's like has a lot of power.
Yeah?
Yeah, actually has more power than I can handle as a beginner.
Okay. Well, we can turn it down. What do you think of the color?
Oh, I love the color.
You like the basket?
Yes.
You put your purse up in the basket.
That's a good idea. With my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Here, go stand over there and pose with it. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, honey.
Okay, here's Tina. On her Heybike. She's got a helmet and she's got a new seat. And she is kicking butt. Turn right. We're running on speed 1 and she's not pedaling at all. I'm having to pedal a lot just to keep up with her. What do you think, babe?
Make a right.
Yeah. What do you think?
Watch what you're doing.
I am. What do you think?
It's good. It's
You
good.
like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What do you think? Is it better now?
It's better.
And what do we do to fix it?
What?
What do we do to fix it?
You bought me a new seat and
Bought
installed
you a new
it.
seat?
And installed it.
All right.
Yeah, it's much better. Thank you.
And this is a Cloud 9 bicycle seat. Or C9. With big springs. Works wonders. All right, so this is the end of the Heybike review. And so what did we like and what didn't we like? Well, the ease of putting it together was good. It went together real well. We do like the leather or simulated leather grips on the handlebars. It had a matching leather seat that just proved to be the most
Uncomfortable.
uncomfortable seat, right, Tina?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so the couple of things we don't like. This will time out after we've been riding for a while. It'll turn off, or after you've been sitting for a while, rather. So if you stop for a minute and then you got to turn it back on, and that's okay, but it's not that great. We love the ability for you to haul luggage, the luggage rack on the back, the basket on the front. Having a key down here under the seat, probably not the most convenient and not the best thing for it. So I wish that the key was in a different spot. You know, maybe if it was up near the handle, or if we had the ability to put it in a different location, that would be a good thing. Having the light, having the rear light while she's riding is really nice. Where are you going? Come over here. Okay, so what we do like, we like, now that we've got a seat on there that she likes. She likes the ability for it to go. Yeah. What speed did you have it on most of the time when we were riding?
Just level 1.
Level 1. So
it's about 10, 11 miles an hour.
Yeah. So she rode it at level 1 at a very controllable, manageable spot. Yeah. We're not spring chickens, and so we don't need to be going 40 miles an hour.
Right.
10, 11, 12, 15 miles an hour at the max is probably just fine for us. Yeah. And
it's fine for me.
It's fine for you. Yeah. So that's some of what we liked. What we, there's definitely a learning curve for somebody who's never ridden one before. Yeah. You gotta start out slow. You gotta take your time, and that's what we did with this. We took our time. This ending of the video is a couple of weeks later from where we started. Yeah, and so we're pretty happy with it overall.
I have a lot more control over the bike now.
We tightened things up, and then as you use it, it would loosen or work its way loose pretty quickly. So you got to continue to tighten things until they get set more permanently. And even today during the ride, we had to tighten something up. So things are good with the bike. We like the bike. Here, we'll show the bike again.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll show the bike one more time. And once again, I want to emphasize that nothing of this bike was sponsored. We bought the bike off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. We did not, we bought this totally on our own. Heybike did not sponsor this in any way, shape, form whatsoever. We were buying it specifically to bring it on a couple of trips this summer, and overall we're pretty happy with what we got. It's a very affordable and very usable and manageable bicycle. It is not a speed bike of any kind. It's probably for an amateur or for a beginner a good purchase. And I'm not insulting Heybike. It might be even better for somebody who's more experienced. But from our perspective, our level of and what we're doing with it, we can take it camping with us. We can go back and forth between the pool and the RV, or we can run up to a nearby store fairly easy. We just got back from about 3 miles, a little over 3 miles ride, and we were very happy. Any drawbacks from your perspective, Tina?
Not really. Not that I'm used to it now.
Yeah. So, and what's your favorite part about it?
It gives you that extra boost when you need to go a little faster. Faster than you can do manually.
Right.
That's nice.
And did you shift gears at all?
No.
Okay, so she just had it in
level 1.
Third gear on level 1 on the control pad, and did just fine on her own. I've ridden it a couple of times. I do like it. And just in comparison, this is my bike over here. It is probably around a 2011, 2010 maybe-ish purchase, maybe even older than that. I don't remember. It's by Giant. It was one of the first battery-operated city bikes that was available. And this Heybike, definitely comparable to that, and was actually much cheaper than my bike. And it has the rear wheel drive. Mine has the front wheel drive. The front wheel has a drive on it. So overall, we're pretty impressed. And if you were to buy one, we hope you enjoy it as well. You got stars on there. Memorial Day stars on there. So once again, thank you for tuning in to my channel. I'm Pat, and this is Tina for Everything RV by Pat. If you've liked this video, please choose one of these over here and watch. Feel free again to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope that you get something out of it, and we hope that it's informative and that today you are smarter than you were before. And as always, folks, get out and enjoy the world around you. Go be active and have a great day. Bye for now.